How to set up an email campaign. How to set up an email campaign. In this video, you will learn how to set up an email campaign. Let's start by creating a campaign. Go to the Campaigns section under the Emails tab. Click Create. In the pop-up, add a name. Choose a sender email address. Add a description for your campaign. Then click Save. You will see a notification once your campaign is created successfully. Next, let's create the emails for your campaign. Click on the campaign name to open it. Press the Create button to add your first email. Fill in the email details. Subject, sender name, sender email address, editor type, classic or visual editor. Click Save. You have two options to edit your email. Classic editor for simple emails, visual editor with drag and drop features. For better layout and style. Be careful, changing editors will erase your current content. In the classic editor, you can change email information, add attachments, use substitute variables that update automatically. You can make variables clickable by linking them. Set sending delays to control when emails go out. Delay before sending, specific times, days of the week. All delays must be met for the email to send. Once your email is ready, you can save your campaign, save and test. To get a test email, exit the editor. The visual editor works like a page builder. You can drag and drop images, text, and buttons. Arrange these in sections and columns. Click any element to edit it. Adjust font size, background colors, and links in settings. Change content width as needed. Optimize your email for mobile with the phone icon. Control element visibility for desktop or mobile screens. Check the boxes to choose where elements appear. Labels will show if elements are desktop only or mobile only. Save your changes and exit when done with your email content. Fonts options include Mailbox default uses the recipient's system font. Adaptive chooses the best font for each device automatically. Back in the email settings, save and configure sending delays again. Test your email by sending a preview to yourself. Once satisfied, save everything and prepare to send. Example of an email campaign setup. Mail 1 sends 1 hour after sign up at 7 p.m. on Sunday, only Mail 2 sends at 7 a.m. and 1 hour after. Mail 1 Mail 3 sends at 8 a.m., 1 day after Mail 2, on Friday only Mail 4 sends at 8 p.m. on Thursday only Mail 5 sends at 6 a.m. and 15 hours after Mail 4. If someone signs up Saturday at 11 a.m., they get Mail 1 Sunday at 7 p.m., Mail 2 Monday at 7 a.m., Mail 3 Friday at 8 a.m., all conditions met. Mail 4 next Thursday at 8 p.m., Mail 5 following Wednesday at 6 a.m. Remember, all conditions must be met for emails to send. Avoid setting too many delays to prevent confusion. Emails are sent in order from top to bottom in your campaign list. New emails appear at the top but must be activated to send. If a new email is added in the middle or first position, only new contacts will get it. Contacts who passed that step won't receive it. Emails won't send unless all delay conditions are satisfied. Keep your emails light in size by avoiding too many images, fonts, or emojis. Heavy emails may be marked as spam or blocked by servers. Focus on relevant, simple content to improve delivery rates. We built a digital business to create ongoing income so we can follow our dreams and live our ideal life. If you want to start your own digital business, visit newbeginning.com today. Grab various free resources right now to help you get started. Out on these free tools that can make a big difference in your journey.